You're welcome back to my channel. I discovered that a lot of persons have lost their account in the process of trying to update the new version of the app, because the new version of the app will not allow you to install it unless you uninstall the old version that you have in your phone. And many people have uninstalled their app without adding security circle to their app. And this has made a lot of people to lose their account because they can no longer gain access to their account. So I have tried to make research to see how one can get back his account, and the results of my research is what I'm going to share with you in this video. So you make sure that you watch this video to the end. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, you are welcome. This is Dobby's Crypto Series channel, a channel where we share free updates about cryptocurrency. Now let us go into the subject matter for today. As you can see, this is an account that already I have 300. I have mined 300 Delta in this account. And if I go to the security section, you see that I have not added any security member. Okay, as you can see, it is 0. Okay, and I can add if I want to add, but just to let you know that I do not have security circle. So this may be the same problem that you are having, or maybe your downliner is having, or maybe your friend or your family. All right, now right before you, just to make everything clear and for you to know that this is not a fabricated video, I am going to uninstall this app right now, and after the uninstallation I am going to reinstall the app and start afresh. Okay, so on the menu list here is the Delta coin, so I'll click and hold on it, then I'll click on uninstall just to uninstall it. So I'll select uninstall. Right now, as you can see, it has been uninstalled in my from my phone, so I do no longer have it in the phone. So I'm going to go to my WhatsApp, wherein I have the APK file, and I'm going to install it from my WhatsApp. Right here is my WhatsApp, and I have sent the app to this WhatsApp, so I'll just tap on it to install it. So I'm going to leave the link to the download, that is where you are going to download the current version from. I'm going to drop the link in the description, so if you want to download the latest version, you can download it. That is if you have not downloaded it already. So I'll click on this, then I'll click on open. All right, then it says app installing. Do you want to install this application? Yes, I'll click on the install button. Then I will exercise some patience while the installation is going on. Now the installation is done, and the phone is scanning it, and as you can see, the scan is done already. So I'll go over and hit on the open button, which is this very one down below, just to open the app. Okay, so I'll give it some seconds. As you can see, I am starting afresh. Okay, I'm starting afresh. So here I'm going to impute the I'm going to select my country region. So it's just the same process we passed through while trying to register. So I am from Nigeria, so I'll select Nigeria. Then here I am going to impute the phone number that I signed up with, that is the phone number of this particular account. Okay, so the number is 9. Okay, I'm doing everything live so that you know that this actually works. Okay, so I've input the number right now, and yes, it is correct. So I'll go ahead and hit on the next step button. So I've clicked on it, then it's loading up. Then here it says the matching verification strategy is your security circle plus the 2D SMS message, which you know that I do not have any member in my security circle to have me verified while trying to access my account back. Okay, so what I'll do now is I will have to click on this start two-factor verification. Okay, then this is the next page. As you can see here, the security circle list is completely empty. Okay, the security list is completely empty, and it says no data. That means I do not have anyone added to my security circle. Okay, this is it. I do not have anyone added to my security circle. So under this where we have the security code, here now what I would suggest you do is you are going to select any random 6 digits that you know, input any 6-digit number that you know that you can use or that you will use as your security code, and make sure that you do not forget it. Okay, so I'm going to input it now, and let's see if this is going to work. Then I have input the code, so the next thing I'll do is I'm going to hit on next step. All right, so let's see if this will actually go or not. Then go ahead and hit on DSMS verification. Then here it says click the get button below, okay, to select a group of SMS verification access numbers in the queue in turn. So I'll go ahead and hit on get. All right, let us see. We are trying this out. This is actually my first time of trying to access an account that does not have a security circle member in its member list. Okay, so just the same process like I said before. During the registration, you will have to select from amongst this number. Okay, you have to select this number. That is if you want to send via, if you want to use the Nigerian verification. As you can see, Nigeria is selected. Maybe in your own case, you are going to see your country, okay, whichever country you are watching from, it automatically will display. Then you select from this list that we have here, okay. But I do not want to use the Nigerian number for now, okay. So I want to go with the global universal, okay, because I have the intention of using WhatsApp because I don't want to spend a dime. But if that doesn't work, then I'll have to come back and select Nigeria. Okay, so I'll click on global universal. Then here I'm going to select any of these numbers. I'm going to choose now the first one. Okay, no, I'll not go with the first one because the first one has 35.48%. Now I'm going to go with the one that has a higher percentage, which is 36.20, and that is this DE. Now, if it has this a higher percentage in the score section, what it means is that the verification of through this particular channel is very fast. Okay, it is higher than others. That is comparing the rate. So I'll click on that second one, which is the DE. Then I'll hit on next step. All right, I'll hit on next step. Then let us see what we are going to get from that. Okay, now here I will select WhatsApp. All right, then I will select this button here. Just click on that blue button that looks like Telegram. Select it. Then I'm going to launch my WhatsApp. So go ahead and hit on the confirm button displayed on the screen. Now this will redirect me to my WhatsApp, wherein I'm going to send that string that has been manufactured, that has been given to me. So I'll just click on the send button. Then I'll wait for it to have 2 ticks here. As you can see, the 2 ticks has appeared. Okay, hope you can see it. Let me point it. Make sure that this appeared to show that it has been delivered. Then you go back straight to the Delta app and you select the I have sent verification string. All right, then it says, has verification string been sent to the one access numbers above? Yes. So I'll go ahead and hit on confirm button. All right, now it says waiting for verification SMS. All right, now here it often takes time. As you can see, verification successful. Okay, it didn't even take up to a minute. It didn't take up to a minute. Now let us see if we are going to have our account back. As you can see, our account is back. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please you make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell icon so that once I drop updates like this in this channel, you get notified. Please give a like to this video, and feel free to share this video. Now let's proceed. Okay guys, so this actually works, but make sure that that number that you signed in with, that 6 security code, that you do not forget it. Go and write it somewhere. I will suggest you use a number that you frequently use for signing up to your account. So you can see now I have recovered my live account. Okay, now in order for you not to pass through this process again, now what you have to do is you must add, once you gain back access to your account, just I have accessed my own account, you will have to add your security circle. And when you click here, I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, click here, then you click on the add section. I want to add a security circle now so that you see and know how to do it, so that you won't face the problem of maybe I don't have any security circle, this or that. All right, So click on the add manually. Then here you are going to impute that person's number, okay, the phone number of that person that you want to add to your security circle. Now let me emphasize on this. You will have to, the security person you are going to add should be somebody that you know, somebody that you trust, someone that you can call at any time once you want to gain access to your account, and the person will be ever ready to respond to you. Do not add any random person. No, it is not advisable. Add someone you know. In fact, you can add your family members or a close friend, okay? Or even if there is someone that you don't know, but you have developed some kind of trust on that person and you know the person can deliver at any point in time. Just follow your instincts, then add someone that you know can that will not disappoint you in the future when you need the person's assistance. So here I'm going to impute a number, okay? I'm going to impute a number that I want to add. Okay, I've just imputed the number. Then under the appellation is what you're going to write there is the name that you used to remember that person with, because in this security circle you have the provision of adding to at most 5 persons. Okay, you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So amongst those persons you add, how will you identify them? You identify them by the appellation you tag to each of the persons. All right, so here now I want to let me use my name. Let me say Dobis, okay, that is my name. Then I will go ahead and hit on the submit button, all right, which is this one. I'm trying to highlight it, the submit button down below. I hope you can see it on the screen. Then I'll click on it. Then here I'm going to sign in with my fingerprint just for verification purpose. So let's see if this will work. It says execution successful. Then let's see if it is going to display. Now, as you can see, it has displayed. Okay, so I can even add another person. You can add as many persons as you want. I have just added the second person, and this is it, just following the same procedure. It is not difficult, okay, just the same procedure. So you make sure that you add at least 2 is okay, 3 is okay. I would suggest you add 3, okay. You can add up to 5, but at least make sure that you add 3 or 2, okay. Then you go back. As you can see, so anytime that you want to access your account, the persons in your security code, they will be the one to provide access to, they will provide security code for you to enable you to log in into your account. This is the way for you to retrieve your account, a way for you to gain back your account if you feel that it has been lost. Okay. Now, the new version of the app has provision for us to mine the USDT. I've explained this a couple of times in my previous videos, and this is where the section where you mine the USDT, you click on it, then it is going to display for you every 8 hours 3 ads that we are going to watch. So you earn the USDT, or you mine the USDT, so to say, by watching the ads that are in this app. Okay, now this is just a way, according to the Delta Core team, of compensating the pioneers of these projects. So how this is done, because I know many people will be having the doubt, how would they be, how can we be mining USDT, a stable coin? Now they have explained it. If you want to watch the video where I explained it in details, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video so that you understand better. So how it is actually done, or how we are to get the USDT, is actually when people place their adverts on this platform, then there is a ratio. Whatever sum that they have paid for placing the advert on this channel will be divided by the core team using a ratio which they have given, which is ratio 60:30:10. Okay, they will distribute it to the community. All right, now they, as the developers, they have their own portion. Then the miners, that is the pioneers, they have their own. Now what you get here is the USCT. It is not actually the USDT. Now it is this USCT that is going to be converted to USDT. Now I believe they will have a way of converting it. For now, they have not given any formula for the conversion. So here we have 3 listed here, written here. So it means that I have 3 ads to watch. So if I click on this icon now, a video will be displayed for me to watch. Then after watching the video, the USDT will be given to me. Now, as you can see, I am done watching this ad and I have 2 left here. Okay, so what I just watched, they have given to me 6 USDT. Okay, so you can also be getting this USDT from your downlines. Whichever whenever your downline, whenever they watch an ad, you're going to get your referral bonus. All right, then here, like I said before, you have to watch the 3 ads. Then as you watch it, it will be accumulated to you. Then you are going to be having the balance displayed here, the pending balance. Once the pending balance is verified, it will come over to this section and the total of your earnings will be displayed here. If it is time to withdraw, this is the withdrawal button. Then for you to see your valid USDT record, that is where you are going to see it. So the unverified balance, the details of your earnings will be displayed here. Okay, this is the table for the display of whatever you have done in this platform. So that is how you can mine the USDT while at the same time mining your Delta coin. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please do well to like this video, share this video. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please you click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Then you turn on the bell icon so that once I drop videos about Delta coin or any other projects in this channel, you get notified. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video.